We are cool people just like you are, so why not to hang out with us on social media and discover even more cool deals? Also, to make sure you are notified when we post a new video, subscribe and hit the notification bell below now.
Hi, this is Nicole and thanks for checking this short and straight to the point presentation out. If you've been searching for more information on where you can get the best deal on the new Kindle Paperwhite e-reader, then the search is over because today is your lucky day. I highly recommend you to get the original Paperwhite from Amazon, with almost a 5 stars rating, more than 63,692 customer reviews and 1,000 plus answered questions. You won't be disappointed if you take action today and get your new Kindle Paperwhite now. Also, this offer is an Amazon choice, so hurry up. As you can see, free shipping and stock is available. This is what verified customers from Amazon are saying about the new Kindle. Ricky says, "Love this upgrade. This is my third Kindle. The backlit feature has an amazing amount of gradients. Definitely easy on the eyes and I can read in the dark. Last but not least is the price and guarantee. You won't find a better price, also customer support and guarantee, than the one offered by Amazon in any other online store. Today you will only make a little investment of $119.99, so take action right now before the price goes up. And, as all we know, it is safer and easy to buy from Amazon. As a bonus or plus, you can even upgrade your new Kindle to a whole new level by choosing the Essentials bundle, or adding a complimentary accessory like a power adapter, leather cover or screen protector. If you ever need a hand, have any questions or need additional information, feel free to leave them in the comments section below this video and I will be more than happy to help you out in getting your new Kindle Paperwhite e-reader. Do not wait on this special deal and get yours by clicking my exclusive link in the description below this video now. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day and a great shopping experience.
That's all for now, guys. Why don't you subscribe to our cool YouTube channel and hit that notification bell? Finally, do not forget to like and share this awesome video with your awesome friends on these awesome sites. It helps us a lot. Until next time, save more and shop more.